Okay, after we do the head cleaning finish and we load ink succeeds, then we can start to do a nozzle check print to check the nozzle, the print head is working well or not. So we need to move the flat bed to the front. And we put a paper, a wet paper first, on top of the flat bed. And we click up to move the flat bed up. The flat bed will automatically stop when detected by this sensor. This is the upper limit sensor. This is the upper limit sensor. Will automatically stop. So this is a safety position. But please be sure this sensor is not working for the media if the media is transparent, such as the plastic, the glass cup or the glass panel is not working because the light will be goes through by the transparent media. So on this upper limit sensor will not working for transparent project. Please pay attention to. After we put the media on the table, we can click backside, and then we go to nozzle check and print. We must check the nozzle. Be sure the nozzle, all the nozzle is printed out. If there's no color on the tape, if there's no lines on the paper, so we need to do the head cleaning again. After that, we do another check on the wet paper. We also need to do another check on the black media because the wet ink cannot show on the wet paper. So we need to remove the wet paper and we do another check again to check the wet ink. So we do another check again to check the wet ink nozzle. We can print directly on the table because the table is black. So we can see there must be some small lines, small white lines. Two nozzle, two channel must be with white lines on the table. We will show you the photo on the user menu. So we must be sure the wet ink and color ink, the nozzle, all are printed out. After that, we move the flat bed to the end. So if the nozzle cannot jet ink well, so we need to do the head cleaning again. We can do it several times, 3 times to clean the print head and do the nozzle check again. We must be sure all the nozzle are printed out by this: yellow black, white ink, white yellow black, and cyan magenta. YKWWMC magenta cyan. This 1, 2, 3, 4 nozzle must be printed well, clearly on the wet paper, and this middle 2 is white ink, must be printed out like this on the table, black table. If printed out like this, it means the nozzle is lack of ink. We need to do the head cleaning to clean the print head and then print again. So this is the method to nozzle check to load ink. Be sure all the nozzle is jet well, then click finish. So after that, we can start to set the rip soft start to print.